Ooh. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I posted a video, but here we are today. So I did knotless medium-sized braids in my homegirl's hair, and I'm just basically going to show you guys a process of how I did it in her hair compared to how I did it in my hair. So right here, as you can see, I will put the hair in threes and I would braid the hair on its own. Then I'll take a piece of hair to my liking. It's the first strand, so it's going to be really thin, and I put it in between my index finger and my thumb. I am so sorry, Abs, because she just got a piercing and I was turning her head and you know, messed up her ears a little bit, but for the love of my life, she will not hold her head still. And I promise guys, throughout this video you'll see me twisting and turning her head. I am not rough at all. She just would not hold still, okay? Okay guys, so here's a closer look at how I do the knotless braids in her hair. So I would take her hair and I'll put it in three and I will braid it twice. Then I will take a piece of hair, small piece, and I'll put it in between my index finger and my thumb and I will braid it in. And I will take another piece and I will repeat the process until I'm very satisfied with the thickness that I'm getting of the medium size. And to be honest, I only use 4 strands of hair when doing the medium size knotless. So I'll be doing this technique about one more time in this video, so you can basically see how I do the knotless braids, and also so you can practice in your own hair or in anyone else's hair that you wish to practice this style in. Knotless is very easy. The technique that I use is very easy for me, even when I'm doing it in my own hair. But I'm gonna go over it again later on in this clip. Let me know down in the comments if you have a different braid technique that you use to achieve this look. So after I trimmed the hair up, then I hot water it. And to me, when you braid hair, trimming is very essential to how the braid is gonna look after you've done it. So we trimmed and we hot water. And ladies, a very important tip, if you're anything like me, when you braid your hair and the braid touches your face breaks out, you can put apple cider vinegar, the organic one, in the hot water. When you're hot watering your hair, it kills any bacteria and germs that might be in the hair. And this is a finished product.